Lesson 3, Talking about likes and food. Listen to 4 conversations about likes and food. Conversation 1. 2 people talk about their favorite foods. What fruits do they talk about?
So, what foods do you like?
I like ice cream and pizza and apples.
Oh, I like those foods too.
What foods do you like?
I like fish, vegetables, and bananas.
Together?
No, not together.
Question 1. What fruits do they talk about? The answer is apples and bananas. Conversation 2. 2 people talk about their favorite drinks. Who likes cold tea? The man or the woman?
What drinks do you like?
I like tea and I like juice.
Ooh, hot tea or cold tea?
Both. What about you?
I like coffee and hot chocolate.
Ooh, I like both too.
Question 2. Who likes cold tea? The man or the woman? The answer is the woman. Conversation 3. 2 people talk about their favorite desserts. What kind of pie does the man like?
What desserts do you like?
I really like ice cream.
Oh, what flavor do you like?
I like strawberry. I like vanilla too.
Nice. I like cake and I like pie.
What kind of pie?
I really like apple pie with ice cream.
Yum.
Question 3. What kind of pie does the man like? The answer is apple pie. Conversation 4. 2 people talk about their favorite snacks. What kind of cookies do they like?
What snacks do you like?
I like to eat fruit.
Oh, yeah? What fruits do you like?
I like apples and oranges. And you?
I like strawberries and watermelon.
Do you like to eat cookies?
Of course. I love chocolate chip cookies.
Me too.
Question 4. What kind of cookies do they like? The answer is chocolate chip.